my cow is due anytime, maybe tonight or tomorrow. We're going to have a new calf, and you guys know this is my favorite cow. This dish is very, very special in sense, with cooking experience, you will start learning how to make any dish very tasty, and especially you want to eat something dry like the chicken today. You want it to be coated with cashew powder and roast it. That's when it gets very tasty. At what stage you add the cashew nut powder and what are the ingredients and how you got to make this dry. So the extra ghee gets into the pan, not every time, once in a while. So, add a little extra ghee. And we're going to roast the chicken on a very slow flame. I want you guys to cook this chicken at least for 50 minutes. I have brined the chicken. That means it gets cooked in 10 minutes. But the ingredients like onion, little bit of tomato add, and all of them have to be nicely, slowly roasted. That's when it gets very, very tasty. Before the ghee gets really hot, we're going to add the chicken pieces. These are chicken pieces with the bone on. That's when it gets even more tasty. Keep cooking this chicken till a lot of the moisture is gone. When some of the moisture from the chicken comes out, then we're going to add the onions. Look at this. I'm adding the onions after we add the chicken, and these onions also have to be kind of roasted along with this chicken. Mix them and let it cook. You can even put the lid on. Onion and the chicken getting cooked together, and because there is some salt already with the chicken and the brine, and the onions also, look at them. They have become nice and soft. They are ready to hug and coat the chicken. In this we're going to add some ginger garlic paste, a little bit of turmeric. So beautiful. Now when much of the moisture is gone and the chicken is also cooked almost more than 60%, we're going to add some tomato puree. This is all water, just one tomato, small one. I want to cook the chicken till it is nice and well cooked. Till the bone it has to be cooked well. Put the lid on and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now initially it will look like as if it's going to become a curry, but now we're going to add some of the masalas, some cumin powder, some coriander powder, not too much, add everything very little, and also little bit of chilli powder, not too much, pinch of garam masala, very little, that's it. In the end, we're going to add the powder of cashew nut. Do not add it now. You add it now if you want to make it a gravy, but you wanted to make a roast only when this all mixture dries out and it becomes like a roast, then only we're going to add. We're going to add curry leaf, we're going to add crushed garlic, we're going to add crushed pepper, and also a little bit of coriander leaves on top. Let all these masalas cook on a very slow flame for another 4-5 minutes. Now you can look at this carefully. The ghee is coming out of this. That means the entire mixture, the onions, everything is roasted well. But we're going to give that awesome taste of cashew nut. And we are not going to add the whole cashew nut. Whole cashew nut will not work this kind of recipe. Here, the coating, like the Italians add cheese onto their pasta afterwards, we want to make sure this is beautifully coated on the chicken. Reduce the flame. It should not be done on high flame because this cashew nut powder can easily get burned. So look at the way how it is coating this chicken, and keep mixing on a very slow flame and cook for another few minutes. In the meanwhile, we're going to crush some peppercorns, crush it, add some curry leaves, curry leaf from my garden, and also some garlic. This garlic need to be crushed, but it's not to be like a paste, just crushed. The curry leaf, the cashew, the pepper, all of it. I think I need to add a little bit of salt. And also add some, crushed coriander. That's it, not too much, just this much. Roast this again for another 3-4 minutes on a very slow flame. Okay. The fresh garlic in the last, the pepper. Cooking, many times, people are in rush, they want to cook really fast, but slow cooking is the best way to get the best and the awesome taste of any ingredient. So the pepper, the garlic, the chicken, everything have been, kind of cooked with love, and when you eat this, it will be just muma. Switch off the flame, and now see, look at this beautiful chicken. The chicken looks absolutely dry, but it has to be juicy. You have to cook in such a way that it's juicy from inside and dry from the outside. Look at it, beautiful roast, and trust me, the coating on top is full of cashew nut, and when you make it a powder and add in the last this way, it will be super tasty. Look at this, the chicken, every piece, and with few strands of garlic here and there, and the pepper, the curry leaf. This is some chicken. You can really fall in love. I know you need to have some time, and I cooked it in ghee. That's even more double bonanza. And just the masala. Wow. Friends, keep cooking, eating best of the best food. And you enjoy it to the best. This thing, with drinks, without drinks, with woman beside, without woman beside, doesn't matter. This is going to give you the ultimate satisfaction. My cow is due anytime, maybe tonight or tomorrow. We're going to have a new calf, and you guys know this is my favorite cow. She having a baby calf is something, it'll be very interesting. Wow. And see, you have to comb. Wow. Okay, I know you are in pain, you may deliver anytime, but I'm here, baby. I'm here to take care of you fully. Put your hand, like this. That means the tissues will all, the ligaments, everything will get loosened, so that the calf comes out easily. So I have delivered goats, rabbits, and this is my first time I will be delivering a cow, and let's see how it's going to be. Massaging the mother. Wow. During delivery, you guys know, during delivery, women love to be given a little bit massage. So my cow also gets massage.